Hey gadget lovers and gift hunters, are you all about finding the coolest, most giftable gadgets on Amazon? Whether you're shopping for a tech-savvy friend or just want to treat yourself, because why not, these picks will make your inner geek dance with joy. Links to more info are in the description below this video. Let's dive into the world of awesome gadgetry. Number 25. Smart Lights. This innovative lamp is more than a light source, it's an ambiance creator. With an array of color options, it adapts to your mood, enhances your decor, and brings your space to life. Controlled via an app, it offers convenience and creativity, making it a must-have for modern homes. Great for setting the ambiance and creating the perfect vibe in your home. Number 24. Bluetooth Beanie with built-in headphones. Stay cozy and connected with the Foxelli Bluetooth Beanie, a unique combination of comfort and technology. This wireless beanie hat features built-in headphones, making it the perfect accessory for chilly outdoor activities or simply for relaxing in style. Ideal for both men and women, it keeps your head warm while letting you enjoy your favorite tunes or take calls hands-free. Number 23. Handheld Fidget Toy. Embrace serenity with the Ono Roller. This elegantly designed fidget toy is a sanctuary in the palm of your hand. Perfect for adults, its smooth rolling motion provides a soothing escape from the day's stresses. Ideal for use in meetings, at your desk, or during quiet moments. Number 22. Underwater Scooter. The Waydo Subnado Underwater Scooter brings ocean exploration to your fingertips. Glide through waters, explore underwater landscapes, or simply enjoy a fun ride in the pool. Perfect for anyone looking to add an extra dimension to their aquatic adventures, the Subnado is your ally in uncovering the secrets of the deep or just enjoying a day in the water with a dash of speed and excitement. Number 21. Automated Pet Feeder. Keep your kitty fed even when life gets busy. This automatic cat food dispenser, powered by batteries for maximum convenience, has a remarkable 180-day battery life. It's perfect for those always on the move, guaranteeing consistent and reliable feeding times for your feline friend. But don't forget, they still need your love. Number 20. Bluetooth Tracking Tags. Never lose your keys, wallet, or mind again. Attach, pair, and track, it's that simple. Number 19. Smart Thermostat. Control your home's temperature from anywhere. The ecobee new Smart Thermostat Premium elevates home comfort to new heights. Featuring a smart sensor and air quality monitor, this programmable Wi-Fi thermostat allows you to control your home's temperature with ease. Compatible with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, it offers the convenience of adjusting settings from anywhere. Number 18. Sensate Relaxation Device. Think of it as a personal relaxation sanctuary, providing the serenity of a lullaby for adults. Drift into peaceful sleep or a moment of calm during a hectic day, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The Sensate relaxation device offers an escape into tranquility using patented infrasonic resonance technology to bring immediate calm and foster long-term stress resilience. It's perfect for those seeking to recharge from the daily hustle. Number 17. Digital Microscope. This isn't your high school science class microscope. It's a super cool handheld gadget that connects to your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi. Zoom in 50x or 1000x to see the hidden wonders in everything from leaf's veins to the intricate details of a circuit board. It's portable, powerful, and perfect for curious minds, hobbyists, or anyone who loves to explore the tiny mysteries of the world. Get ready to see the unseen and share your discoveries with friends. Number 16. Electric Lunchbox. The Crock-Pot electric lunchbox takes your on-the-go meals to the next level. Perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone who appreciates a hot meal, this 20-ounce portable food warmer heats up your food wherever you are. Compact and convenient, it's like having a mini personal chef in your bag, ready to serve you a steamy, delicious meal whenever you're ready. Welcome to the world of hot, homemade meals on the go. Number 15. Foldable Keyboard. For on-the-go writers, bloggers, and email warriors, unfold, connect, and you're ready to type anywhere. This versatile and portable keyboard transforms any space into a workspace, ideal for writers, bloggers, and anyone who needs to type on the go. Its full-size design and numeric keypad ensure comfortable typing, while the easy foldability makes it perfect for travel. Compatible with Windows, iOS, Android, and more, it's a must-have for those who juggle multiple devices. Number 14. Touchscreen gloves. Keep your fingers toasty while texting in the cold. These gloves offer a touchscreen-friendly design so you can text, scroll, and call without exposing your hands to the cold. With a thermal soft knit lining and an elastic cuff for a secure fit, they're available in 3 sizes to suit everyone. Not just a winter necessity, but a perfect gift for anyone who values comfort and connectivity during the colder months. Number 13. Mini Portable Projector. Turn any room into a movie theater. This portable powerhouse, with its built-in rechargeable battery and speaker, supports 1080p video quality, bringing the big screen experience right into your home. Easily connect it to your iPhone or Android device and get ready for movie magic. Whether it's a romantic date night, a cozy family gathering, or a solo Netflix binge, this projector is your ticket to an unforgettable viewing experience. Number 12. Bluetooth Shower Speaker. Sing your heart out in the shower with this waterproof speaker. Who needs a concert when you have a bathroom? This certified IPX7 waterproof Bluetooth wireless speaker is the perfect addition to any bathroom. With its powerful 5-watt mini portable design, robust suction cup, and built-in mic, it transforms your shower time into a concert experience. Whether you're gifting it to kids, teens, or adults, it's sure to be a hit. Number 11. Hand Massager. Unwind with a soothing sensation from this hand massager. It's a personal relaxation device that eases aches in palms and fingers using gentle compression and heat. Perfect for people seeking relief from daily stresses or for a touch of luxury in their routine. Number 10. Fruit and Vegetable Washing Machine. Say goodbye to scrubbing your produce and hello to the Fabenix washing machine. This nifty kitchen buddy takes the hassle out of cleaning fruits and veggies. Just throw them in, hit a button, and let the machine do its thing. It's like a mini spa for your produce. Number 9. Smart Indoor Garden. Grow fresh herbs and veggies all year round. This indoor garden, equipped with an LED grow light and height-adjustable features, will get your foot in the door of indoor gardening. Whether you're cultivating fresh herbs or growing veggies, the system will keep you growing all year round. And with its built-in timer function, it practically does the work for you. No more worrying about under or overwatering, just sit back, relax, and watch your indoor garden flourish. Number 8. Digital Instant Pot. This is the Swiss Army knife of kitchen gadgets. Whether you're slow cooking a stew, pressure cooking a roast, or experimenting with any of its 10 functions, this device has got you covered. Slow cook, pressure cook, you name it. Connect it to Wi-Fi and control your cooking from anywhere. Number 7. Wireless Charging Pad. Say farewell to tangled cords and hello to streamlined charging with this 3-in-1 wireless charging station. This sleek and stylish pad is the epitome of convenience, offering fast wireless charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Not only does it keep your devices powered up, but it also adds a touch of futuristic decor to any space. Number 6. Smart Water Bottle. It's like having a hydration coach in your pocket. This high-tech bottle revolutionizes the way you drink water. Equipped with Bluetooth, it tracks your water intake and syncs with your smartphone, turning hydration into a seamless part of your day. Need a nudge to drink more water? It's got you covered with its LED glow reminders. The 21-ounce bottle with a convenient chug lid is perfect for staying refreshed, whether you're hitting the gym or hustling through a busy day. Number 5. Portable Solar Charger. The ultimate gadget for outdoor enthusiasts, charge your devices using the power of the sun, nature's USB port. This portable solar panel is great for camping trips, hikes, or any outdoor adventure. Plus, it's IPX4 waterproof, so a little splash won't rain on your parade. Eco-friendly and super practical, it's like having a pocket-sized power station wherever you go. Number 4. Face Tracking Phone Holder. Say hello to your personal camera operator and content buddy. This clever tripod does more than just follow your movements to keep you in the frame during video calls, live streams, or content creation. It's also perfect for hands-free viewing of your favorite shows and videos. Ideal for vloggers, TikTokers, and anyone who loves multitasking without missing a beat, it's like having a personal videographer and viewer all rolled into one. Get ready for your close-up! Number 3. Compact Drone with Camera. Capture life from a bird's eye view. Perfect for aspiring photographers and adventure seekers looking to elevate their Instagram game. With a 10-kilometer video transmission, you can explore and film far and wide, and the 31-minute flight time means you won't miss a shot. Plus, it's easy to use, even if you're new to drones. Number 2. Smart Coffee Mug. It isn't just a mug, it's your personal beverage butler, keeping your drink perfectly hot. With its sturdy construction, it can handle the daily rigors of your busy life. Its one-button temperature setting makes it incredibly user-friendly. Just tap, and your drink stays exactly how you like it. Never suffer through a cold cup of coffee again. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Wireless earbuds with noise cancellation. Perfect for drowning out the world and getting lost in your favorite beats. Featuring up to 40 hours of playtime, these earbuds keep going all day long. Ideal for work, play, and everything in between. With noise cancellation that's like a do not disturb sign for your ears, these bad boys are your new BFFs for every playlist, so you can stay in the zone. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just chilling, they've got your back. There you have it, 25 mind-blowing gadgets from Amazon that are perfect for gifting, or self-gifting, we don't judge. These finds are sure to bring joy, convenience, and maybe a little bit of envy in a good way. Which of the gadget picks is your favorite? Be sure to take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these options. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.